Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackmon with Paramount Property Investments. Just wanted to drop in with you guys. I know it's been a while since I've posted on YouTube, but I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still active in the field, looking to buy as many houses as I can in the Stark and Summit County area. This is to my local homeowners in the area. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of advice. If you have a property below $50,000 that you're trying to sell, you may have a hard time selling that property. The reason I say that is simply because most lenders that offer FHA conventional VA financing, they stop lending after about $50,000. So that means your potential pool of buyers significantly shrinks if you have a house that you can realistically only list between, I don't know, $20 and $30,000, $40,000. So generally your buyer will be paying cash. And, most people don't have, $40,000 lying around in the shoebox anywhere. Some do, but the majority of people don't. So if you've had your house on the market for more than, I would say, 2 or 3 months, and you haven't gotten an offer yet, consider giving us a call, because the good thing about us is that we can actually pay cash, we close quickly, and we can pay your title fees as well. And we can close in as little as 2.5 to 3 weeks. So if that's something you might be interested in, please give me a call. You can reach me at 330-685-2220, or you can just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.